You've heard it a million times. Cats always land on their feet. But is it true? While cats possess an impressive righting reflex, allowing them to twist midair and often land on their feet, it's not foolproof. The height of the fall, their age, health, and even their weight can affect the outcome. Short drops may not give cats enough time to adjust, while very high falls can lead to serious injuries. Responsible cat owners should never assume their feline friends are immune to falls. Keep windows and balconies secure for your cat's safety.